Hey, welcome back to the 11-foot foam kayak, homemade. Job doing. All right, we got all the heavy duty burlap on here. You can see some pretty thick stuff. Let's see if we can see through it. If it messes up. Yeah, it's the heavy duty stuff. It's not quite like what oysters come in, but it's the heavy stuff. And it's probably about 90% dry. I've still got some spots on here that aren't dry yet, so we're gonna leave it like that for now and let it dry some more. And then once it gets dry, we're gonna put some more on it. More glue. All right, so my plan now is to work on the top sides a little bit. And you can see I've started trimming this. At first I thought, oh, maybe I'll just wrap it over and go all the way across. But I thought, you know, for the top, I'm going to use this other burlap. The Walmart burlap. Let's see. You should be able to see the difference between the two of them. Let me hold that back up again. Okay, so you got, here's kind of, let's see, there's kind of in your face kind of look, like MTV. Ooh. And then here's the one I got from Walmart, which is thinner. Or maybe I'll hold them side by side. Now I don't know if this is, I need extra hands here. You can see. So what I thought I'd do is put this thinner one on the top. It shouldn't be as rough on your feet. And then at first I was thinking use a razor blade to cut this off with, but then I tried that and it just was kind of going, it wasn't going smooth up and down. So I took my new scissors and pretty much was doing it just like this. I was just laying the scissors on my curve. Buy a pair of scissors for this. Do not try to use junk scissors. Do not get your wife's sewing scissors because it'll loosen them up at the hinge and dull them. And if she goes to sew something, you're gonna be in trouble. So it's a little bit loose there, and I'll just go along, put some glue on it, soften it up, and stick it back down. And then of course we have this spot where this didn't go all the way up. I may just bring the thinner one over to here like that. We'll see. I mean, it's a kind of a gentle curve, so it may be all right. I mean, it'll be all right. Just may look all right. Let's see. So pretty much. I just need to trim it up. So if you're thinking about doing one of these, go get you some foam and get started on it. So far, this is probably only about $150 in this one. You might could find a used 10-foot cheesy kayak for 150 bucks. And yeah, you know, you could spend more time at work and put in a few extra hours and just buy a kayak. Sure, you can do that. But the project is really not aimed at that. It's aimed at people who want to do a project. They can have something they're proud of. Or my other friends who just are on a tight budget because of the COVID. They want to be able to get on the water and they just can't, you know, just can't come up with that $150, $200 for a cheap kayak to go on the water. You know, get on the water with. So go this route, build it a little at a time. And not really have much into it. And have a lot more amenities on your kayak than like let's see, That second kayak out there on the right, I mean left, was $300, and it has, well, not a lot of amenities. But I could go get it and pick it up at the store and just go that day if I wanted to. But my wife said she would like an upgrade on her kayak. Now, she meant like add something, add a little of this to it, a little bit of that. And I thought, I'll just upgrade the whole kayak. She was pretty excited about that. It was an anniversary gift, and I gave her an AR. She liked the AR quite a bit. So just go along and trim it out, you know, take your time. And you don't want to leave this like that. You want to make sure that you get that filled in with, just keep rolling the glue on it until it becomes where it's sealed. Then put your several layers of any kind of paint you can find, some Oops paint at the Home Depot. And then, you know, if you want to, you could spray like a, what do you call that? Camouflage. You could camouflage it. Camo paint it. That hides a lot of sand too. Alright, that's it for this video. I'll see y'all on the next one. I appreciate you watching. Leave a comment and I'll come see you. Thank you.